Sell high-density polyethylene foam. It can be ordered in a variety of sizes and is easily customizable to fit your needs. First, we'll talk about the properties of the foam and then some suggestions on how to customize it yourself. When your foam arrives, you'll notice it's a little bit thicker than the listed dimensions. So for instance, if you were to order a 1-inch piece, it's actually going to measure about 1 1/8. And a 2-inch piece, for example, will measure at 2 1/4. Our material has a smooth surface skin. This is important because it can be easily washed or wiped away if it gets dirty. The foam is closed cell and will not absorb liquids or oils. It's also resistant to solvents, petroleum products, and is antimicrobial, thereby preventing the growth of bacteria or mold. The density of the material is 2.2 pounds per cubic foot. Dense enough for most applications, but still providing enough cushion for sensitive equipment. And now we're going to demonstrate the density of the foam by dropping a bowling ball on it. When it comes to cutting this material, you have several different options. You can go with something like a utility blade, something from your garage like a hole saw bit, or even a steak knife out of your kitchen. To customize your foam for something like household tools, you'll want to follow these steps. First, lay out your tool and trace a perimeter using a straight edge if necessary. Be sure to keep the cutting tool as vertical as possible to ensure accurate cuts. You might consider drawing the shape on the back side of the foam with a silver marker and then cutting it out by hand. If you'd like to easily be able to grab your tool, consider cutting the foam plug into a wedge so it sits above the foam at an angle. For visibility purposes, we've used a silver Sharpie, but you may want to use a black marker so that your line blends in, or even use the back side of the foam so that no lines show. If you need to raise the height of your item, you can trim and reinsert the foam plug into the cutout. If you wanted to make custom drawer foam for your toolbox, the foam is durable enough to handle repeated use and can easily be wiped down. Polyethylene foam is our preferred choice of material when making our own gun cases, as it lasts longer and has a much cleaner look than pluck foam, for example. It may take a little more time, but in the end, it's well worth it. If you make a mistake or change your mind about a cutout, the foam can easily be glued back together and you won't even be able to tell. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.